Hi guys, welcome to yet another episode of Rome OK Please. We are still in Sangla. I along with Pulkit, Tanya Khanijo and Rajesh Thakur are set to go on a camping trip in the mountains. But before that, we have something really interesting to share with you.
अंकल आपका नाम क्या है?
वीरेंद्र सिंह नेगी।
अच्छा, तो वीरेंद्र जी हमें आज ये स्टोरेज खोल के दिखाएंगे। इसको बोलते क्या है?
इसको कठार।
कठार।
हाँ, 2-3 इयर्स के लिए राशन इसमें स्टोर करके रखते हैं।
वाओ, और इसमें कीड़े नहीं लगते?
नहीं, इसकी ये बेनिफिट है, इसमें आप चाहे 10 साल रखो तो ग्रेन हाँ 10-15 साल ग्रेन खराब नहीं होते इसमें।
वाओ।
इसमें इसका डबल लॉक सिस्टम। हाँ, एक लॉक होता है इसमें, इंटरनल लॉक, वो अंदर लगा होता है लॉक। ठीक है, उसके लिए ये होल है ये, ठीक है, इंटरनल जो लॉक है उसका ये चाबी। ठीक है,
ये चाबी है।
हाँ
ओके, हाँ ठीक है।
तो पहले हम ये अंदर का लॉक खुल गया, इसकी चाबी है, ये यूँ लगाया जाता है और ये चलो इसको बाद में खोल देंगे, है ना। ये मक्खन रखने के लिए बना स्पेशल, और ये एक ही पीस का है। ओके, भोज पत्थर नहीं होता कि यहाँ आप ऊपर जाएंगे कंडे में लकड़ी, उस लकड़ी का बना है ये नाप के किसी को अनाज देना हो, इससे नाप के निकालते हैं। इसको कौत बोलते हैं, कौत। ये सेब हम इसमें रखे थे पिछले सितंबर में,
पिछले साल।
हाँ,
ओहो, दिखाइए एक बार।
तो
वाओ, लग नहीं रहा कि 1 साल से पड़ा है।
तो अगर हम उस दिन इसको रखेंगे तो ये जून तक भी ऐसे रहेगा। ये फूल ब्रह्म कमल है और ये 14,000 फीट से ऊपर पाया जाता है।
So at the moment, the plan of action is we are on our way to the Sangla Kandha trek. We are going to camp out, and this is our car which Tanya Khanijo very gracefully let us borrow for the day. हमने इसका soft top नीचे कर दिया है just to enjoy the ride. It's barely 1.5 hour away from Zostel. You can also literally hike from Zostel to this point, but we are taking a car because we obviously want to take our supplies because we are camping out. More when we reach there.
Get a minute of your time. Get a minute of your. Let it minute. I sure gotta live right, and I'm never gonna let you out of my side. I've been knocked out, was a nice try, but I guess I get to keep my head on this time. Check the speck of dust from all of its side. Fall down, that from my height, 'cause I didn't see the plank I have in my eye. What you hear in yourself when no one's to be found? What keeps you eased out? What takes you off your mind? I sure gotta live right, and I'm never gonna let you out of my side. I've been knocked out, was a nice try, but I guess I get to keep my head on this time.
Alright guys, so we have reached our campsite, and as you can see behind me, we have reached just in time of the sunset. We are surrounded by beautiful, majestic snow-capped mountains. An interesting factor about this campsite is that it is placed right next to a beautiful and tiny little lake. Please note guys, this experience is provided by Zostel Sangla. You'll have to notify them in advance for them to plan this for you. And just as a disclaimer, if you are unable to sleep in the tent due to weather conditions, because it can get extremely cold and windy here, there are a few huts nearby which can be used as shelter because they provide better protection when the weather is not in your favor. So the plan of action now is that we are going to set up campsite and begin cooking our meal for the night. And the most important thing that we are here for, that Pulkit is especially here for, is to witness the night sky.
What takes you off your mind?
So the thing is, camping करने के लिए टेंट के सिवाय even the bedding inside is very important. First of all, ये होती है एक insulation की layer. ये बहुत ज़रूरी होती है because इवन इफ यू यूज अ मोटा गद्दा लाइक दिस, ये कॉटन का है पर नीचे से ठंड अब्जॉर्ब करेगा। वेयरएज इफ यू ऐड एन इंसुलेशन तो नीचे जो ये फाइबर है, क्लॉथ है, ये ठंडा नहीं होगा जल्दी से। इसलिए if you want to survive a cold night in a tent, and a layer of insulation and a matting is very important. यहाँ पे क्योंकि हम लोग अपने हॉस्टल से बहुत पास है, इसलिए हम लोग गद्दे बिछा रहे हैं जो हम लोग कार्स में लोड करके ले आए थे। But ideally if you hike somewhere, you can use nice sleeping bags in such a situation.
ये सिसुआरिक दस्ताने ले आया हूँ मैं।
Actually you know what, मैं बहुत खुश हूँ कि ठंड है, क्योंकि
हाँ
इतने दिनों से इतनी गर्मी फील हो रही है।
Correct.
It's been so hot, the mercury levels are really rising, so it's good that it's so cold here for a change.
Good morning everybody. We woke up at around 8 in the morning at our campsite, had some nice breakfast, the Pahado Wali Maggi as one would expect, and we cooked it in the shepherd's hut that you can see behind me, which is where we also had our dinner, some nice chicken, mutton and dal rice for vegetarians like me. Just in front of the shepherd's hut was the bonfire area where we spent most of our evening / night. Something that you need to note guys is there are two ways to experience this trek. One is you can drive up or hike up from the property and just spend the day here, arrange yourself a picnic and head back before sundown. The other way is what we did, which is camp out here. But for the same you'll have to inform the property in advance so that they can arrange for everything including tents and food before your arrival. So there are 3 reasons why you can do this trek. Number 1 are the visuals. You're covered by peaks all around you. There's a really tiny water body here, and just one more thing guys, you can also take up longer treks because just down this valley you have the Burhan Pass and the Rupan Pass. Number 2 is accessibility. It's just 1.5 hours away from Zos's Sanglas. You can come in the morning and leave in the evening without tiring yourself and making sure you have a lot of fun here. And number 3 is absolutely the night sky.